Hello again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and that's my 10 by 10 inch canvas. This is some Anita's White Metallic that I want to use as a base layer. I don't expect it to do anything more than make the canvas wet and give me a facilitatory layer to move my Prism Pours. The Prism Pours will be ocean colors and sundries, whatever strikes my fancy. I think I could use a little more of that, because paint will flow to paint. This is my OXO Omelette Turning Flip and Fold Spatula. I will also be using this with some Amsterdam white that's been added to Aussie Floetrol to create cells, hopefully. I think it will work. While I'm at it, I may just decide to add a puddle of the Anita's White Metallic also, because this is not looking, it's very well distributed, but it's not what I'd call a heavy layer. So I will add a few wave shapes and start with my frozen and continue to work my way through. I've got Royal Sapphire, we're running on instinct now. I'm going to use a little Royal Galaxy. Some Fandango. I'm wishing I could get those. Ooh, no, I don't want to spill that. This is Neptune's Gaze. Which I definitely need to use up and make a larger bottle of. Excuse me, larger container of. Come out. That one I just want to close before it gets any thicker and stickier. What have I got left? I've got Water Dragon. Wonderful colors. Really make me happy colors. Did I use any Northern Sky? I don't think I used any Frostbite, but I want to. Just to create a highlight. I still have some African Violet, which is the bomb. I'm trying to go easy on the violet though. Can I? I'm not sure I can. I have my Blue Velvet. And then I think I'm going to start swiping. We shall see what happens. Get these containers something out of the way so I don't spill them while I'm swiping through. Now, it's time to take the white, and I'm going to put some purple in there too. It's white, Amsterdam white, and this is Dioxazine purple. Get that Anita's out of here. I'm going to go down first. chances are I will swipe through again. I really want some more green over here. That is Peacock. I don't think I used any of that before. I'm going to do... I wish that was flowing faster, but at least I know it's not going to flow too fast. Just using the residuals that are dripping over the edge and whatever's on my spatula. I'm going to use just white. Turn it upside down so I can continue my merry way. More Dioxazine purple. That's a Hobby Lobby Master's Touch. Okay, so now where to, I think, crashing wave. Waves are supposed to be my thing, so I shouldn't have too much trouble with this, but I'm not feeling it yet. It is pretty though. I guess that counts for something. Or everything. I might have more paint than I actually needed. But right at the moment, I know I can take it and use it, put it on the end pieces. And then probably on the top. Oh, that was perfect, and I moved. I kept swiping right over it, and it was just perfect. Let's see what I've got to use up on my ends. Oh, that was nice. I uncovered something really pretty. Probably also eradicated something really pretty. But the colors in there are wonderful, so I'm not sure that I can mess this up. I'm going to try and turn this your way right after I run a finger along the bottom edge to make sure it's covered. And on that end, and this edge is covered. I don't think I'm going to waste much paint, depending on how fast it runs down there. Pull it over to the edge so I can run my fingers along it. Okay, so whatever I'm going to do, I better decide to do more of it right now. And I'm inclined to go down that way with some black. Actually, probably black, white, and purple. Because sometimes more is better when it comes to cell activator. That's better for me. Ooh, bad bottle placement. I really don't want to do anything to eradicate those cells because they're like the star of this show. The more I mix, the less I'm sure I love it. But I do love it. And it's going to dry amazingly, I can tell you now. But I think what I'm going to do is throw a few dots of cell activator in there where I want it to look foamy. I kind of want to take a dot of that. Oh, there's something attached to it. Come on, turn around. It won't come off. Maybe a little purple cell activator. Solve my problem. Give me the purple I want. Or not. Yeah, it's coming. I thought if I got to this point that I might add some pink. Some pink diamond. And I might even add a little tiny tadpole of orange, depending on how the pink looks. The orange would represent the sun caught in the waves. And I really just like to use my little tool. But I can just put that orange right in there. That's cool. That works. Somewhat. I say that now. It would be diffused anyway. So that's pretty cool. I gotta try this. Yeah, I like the little bits of orange. I'd like the sun to be a little rounder, but I'm actually pretty happy with this. That, not so much. I'll pop some bubbles after. So we'll call this Inside the Wave. Please give me a thumbs up when you like and share my videos and watch the commercials and watch them longer, especially that. You help my channel out if you'd like to do that. I also have a way for you to help financially if you'd like to be included in the monthly drawing. A donation will get you an invitation to be in the monthly drawing, and you can see the prizes included at the beginning of the exhibition video I add to the end screen. I don't have a lot of cells, but I have enough cells, and they do move the eye around inside the composition. So I'm going to figure this is the first wave of its kind, and I ought to be happy with what I've got. And I am. The first cells out of the gate were awesome. This is going to dry and be beautiful. Thank you guys for joining me. I have over 2,300 videos organized by topic, genre, and by the 100. If you ever are looking for another video or genre, let me know in comments and I'll give you a hand to help you out. Or you can always email me at easpb, the word gallery spelled out, at gmail.com. Also, I think I could put more dots of more reflected colors. I keep wanting to pull on the, or grab some of the yellow, but this is cool. I'm pretty happy with this. Thank you guys for joining me. I post 7 days a week. If you're interested in Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More is for shoppingpixels.com and Fine Art America. And sometimes spring clothing and sometimes Society 6 clothing. And pretty much most of my places are there. If you look for them, scroll down through. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links are on the link tree along with Society 6 and Legalerist clothing, investment quality clothing made in Montreal, beautiful kimono tops, and etc. Beautiful things worth looking at. If you have questions, please ask me. My community board will show you tomorrow's video, most times the night before or the morning of. The same day. I've got 1 minute left to tell you guys what do I need to tell you. Thank you again. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Thank you for the morale boosting comments. Let me zoom in and show you that some of that is pretty darn cool. I especially like that close up. And then I have those cells over there too. And of course it's late in the day here and the sun has gone down, so we're relying on artificial light. So I have to tell you that the thumbnail will probably be better than what you're seeing. If there's anything I can do to help you guys, just mention. I do sell my artwork and I do give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. So use that email address if you're interested in contacting me. Just asking for information is fine. So thank you again. I love you all. Thank you for inspiring the heck out of me. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying I love you very much. Thank you. See ya. Post 7 days a week. Bye. I'll see you anon. Priscilla out.